Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I am here to share a sneak peek of the August 2025 club kit. This is the mini album subscription club, and Laura has asked me to take charge of that for her this month. I'm so excited because we're working with a gorgeous paper collection from Maja Design called Strawberry Thief. This is a brand new collection, and I think you're going to be thrilled when you see these papers. They are gorgeous. So it's got a really sweet strawberry theme with all these darling little woodland creatures, lots of fussy cuts, beautiful distressed patterns. Look at these green dots with this floral. I mean, this collection is just stunning. So we have plaids, distressed solids, stripes, strawberries, checks, and floral. We have red polka dots with this beautiful little viney image. This is so perfect for a scrapbook because the papers don't overwhelm the photographs. The photographs get to take center stage, which is what you want in a scrapbook. But then there's also some really adorable images. This little mouse is so stinking cute. And then it's just a perfect album, I think, for documenting your summer activities so that you don't forget all the fun you had this summer. Then with this collection kit, you're also going to get the monochromes, which is this beautiful distressed cream and a sort of very pale pink, a slightly darker pink with a coral, this peach with a darker peach, and this strawberry red with a darker shade, and then this beautiful green. So that is a lot of papers. Let me see. It is 15 sheets of double-sided patterned paper and 5 coordinating monochromes and a bonus sheet to cut out. So it's a lot in there. But in addition to that, we're also using the 6x6, which is 33 sheets of this same beautiful patterned paper. So with this, we can do photo mats. We can do, look at all the images you get in this one. It's really nice. So we can do little mini folios. We can do all kinds of fun things with this. And then you're also going to get 6 sheets of 6x12, just a natural white cardstock that we can use for mechanisms. You're going to get, wait till you see these. Look at these darling little charms. Strawberries and daisies, which go perfectly with the paper collection. You're going to get a yard of this really beautiful red checked ribbon that just pops with this paper collection. So cute with the little pom-poms. You're going to get 10 yards of twine. And the album we're using is this huge Prima gatefold, which is just a beautiful, beautiful album. So you're going to have lots of room for photos. I have some fun interactive features planned. Look how thick these cardstock pages are. This is a really gorgeous album. So that is going to be the Button Farm Club kit for August 2025, and I can't wait to show you one. So what are we making? Well, here it is, guys. This darling, darling gatefold album. We've got a really sweet little bow treatment here. Pretty plain on the back, but we can add some little something there if we want to. And this has a fun slider mechanism that holds the gatefold cover closed. So we open it up and we have right off the bat a really sweet little kinetic waterfall. This page flips. We've got double pockets with photo mats. And I just wanted to see how cute these little banners are. And of course you can put additional photos in the pockets. All these rosettes you're going to learn how to make. Then we have just a sweet layout page, and then this really fun pocket with rooms for lots of photos. And I think you're going to enjoy making this. It's a neat little design, super simple but really fun. All right, then this flips, and we've got these square pages, room for photos, and then little folios tucked inside these little pockets. So these, you can put your photos under these because you can slip them underneath. So that's very nice. The images in this collection are darling. If you didn't want to use it for photos, you could certainly add strawberry recipes. You could use it as a gardening journal. It's just, this little mouse just gets me every time I see him. He's so cute. And another sweet little mini folio. So you can use that for journaling. You can add photos inside. Then this page flips, and we have a really fun sort of pop-out page that opens like this, and over in this pocket, there's room for photo mats. And you can also put a photo here on the front. So that's really fun. That'd be a cute way to write down your strawberry jam making day memories, or strawberry pickin', or a cute little picnic, summer picnic. I mean, it's just a really adorable album. It has a little string closure that keeps it from flapping. So because this is like a double album, the second half is the same as the first, just different papers. So another kinetic waterfall. And this is a new design for kinetic waterfall. It's super easy. Another little banner pocket page. This one has some cute little images on the bottom. Another one of these fun slide out pocket pages. Another layout page. Our squares with our little folios tucked inside. Another one of these terrific pop-out pages. I love this one. And then the last page, because the album was getting really, really full, is just a pocket with photo mats. So you can add lots and lots of photos or recipes or whatever here. This little guy flips out. Here's another little folio. Some 4x4s. And these nice big photo mats. And I'm going to show you how to use the product packaging to make this really fun closure for the pocket. It's just enough different, you know, to make it fun. So that's the kit. Laura has all the supplies in stock. If you are a member of the mini album kit, you don't have to do anything. It will automatically ship to you. Members get first priority. They are guaranteed a kit. If you're not a member, you can sign up. There's lots of really great perks connected with being a member. You get discounts, you get all kinds of special things. It's real easy to join. There's no minimum number of albums that you have to subscribe to. You can skip an album if you need to. So that's our mini album kit, August 2025 for the Button Farm Club. And I'm Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. Y'all go get your craft on. Bye.